favorite store.
We don't know him, but we're so happy to find him.
Right?
After switching cars, we find a Leroy Merlin. It's basically Home Depot or Lowe's. A much larger selection for carpentry, plumbing, electric. The house came with a disgusting 1960s, 70s brown Coleman. It was a Coleman.
It was.
Looking stove oven contraption. It's propane. I will not be lighting that thing anytime soon. I don't even light the grill in Florida.
No, she doesn't.
Never mind this beast. It's an absolute eyesore. The plan is to switch out the cooktop with a new one. We almost bought one at IKEA the other day. However, today at Leroy Merlin, we found a pretty one that was even cheaper. Yes, more money for gelato. This has push knobs instead of me watching Mike strike a match and praying we don't cause an explosion. So, had we already bought the other one? Remember we have two?
Well, no, that's when we bought the other propane top, which you then didn't like the clicker either. So then we went to the electric.
Okay. Oh my God. Fix one mess, create another. But now we get this pretty thing. Getting rid of this thing. Some framing wood for a new cooktop and a few plumbing supplies and Drano. Praying the upstairs shower drain just needs a good squeeze of that stuff, and that isn't a headache. I lost track, but we bought a house in Italy. It's okay. Mike brought my dad's DeWalt drill, thank you Uncle Danny, to keep here in Italy. Who knew you could check power tools? Right?
Mm-hmm.
It brought a piece of my dad for Mike and allowed him modern day convenience of a power tool instead of what Mike called caveman tools.
There was some caveman tools left behind.
You found in the house. He did find a jigsaw. Jigsaw?
Yeah, that's what I did the entire deck with.
Please be careful, Mike. It's not cutting it. Want me to hold it? Oh God.
Piece, of course.
Who's gonna see it over there?
Me.
Well, I'll put a planter. That's where my olive tree will go. In an old cabinet. He was so happy that
it was a nice one.
Day.
Yeah, no, that was a nice one. That was a good find.
It was like me finding IKEA.
Very similar, but no.
Good news, Smarty fits in the Renault
Twingo. I remember that one. Yeah.
Basically like a little Fiat. It will do the job we need getting us from here to there. It was extremely affordable. We may just need some bungee cords or tie downs in case I find something I can't leave in Tuscany.
And she will.
Mike, can that thing come out? What? That roof thing come out? We did some rearranging of the whole space. We had everything jammed in the kitchen, including a broken, disgusting hibachi. Oh, they had. We made a living room area and kitchen combo. I think it's looking extra cozy. It opened up the whole space. Last night, Mike hung 3 shelves in the kitchen. So I'll attach the photos of what you did. There's you hanging curtains. I found a few Italian stovetop coffee makers in a cabinet. It turned into a beautiful Italian kitchen. I used 1 pair of IKEA curtains, hung them on the front door and the bottom cabinets. A little pretty goes a long way. Oh yes, we also found the main plumbing thing that goes to our toilet that was broken. Remember our bathroom was the water shut off because we have a major plumbing issue? For a minute, I almost forgot about that. A beautiful Monday in Italy, March 1st, 2021. We're feeling accomplished. What am I talking about, the plumbing thing?
I don't know.
The main plumbing thing.
That goes to our... the valve was leaking up in the toilet. The filler valve.
Oh, so you fixed that?
Yes. Remember it would make that horrific when it would fill? Remember that?
Wait, do it again? The toilet did that?
Remember
yeah. No, I know.
So the toilets there are not like the toilets here where the tank is on the back of the toilet.
Right.
There, the tank is way up on the wall. And for whatever reason, after we flushed this one, as it went to refill, it just would make this noise. Do you remember that?
Yes, I do. Thank you for reminding me.
Oh my goodness.
So, all right.
Yeah,
chin,
good
chin.
stuff. Good stuff.
Chin chin. Ciao.
Ciao till next time.
Buena sera. Buena notte.
Buena notte. I was just gonna. I was trying to figure it out, but buena notte.
We got it.
Well, you could say either. There's 2 things you could
Well,
say.
buena notte is like good night.
Buenas tardes. No, that's
Buena
Spanish.
sera is like good evening, but we're saying good night, like goodbye, bye.
Ciao.
No,
Ciao.
buena notte.
You gotta. When you say ciao, you gotta rip off
God.
3 in a row. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
pack my bags and close the door. Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets. Summer romance in every heartbeat. Venice canals where gondolas glide. Beyond the city my secrets hide. Florence art in every stride. Tuscany's hills my dreams ride. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets. Summer romance in every heartbeat. Whispered poems on ancient walls. Echoes of laughter in marble halls. Sunset kisses where shadows